Welcome to War India News Hour. Biometric and facial authentication to curb cyber attacks. Most organizations switched to work from home hastily from last year due to the mayhem caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, often leaving the doors open for malicious elements to come in and infect the corporate resources. Research says nearly 3.1 million external attacks are on cloud user accounts. This dataset represents companies in all major industries across the globe, including financial services, healthcare, public sector, education, retail, technology, manufacturing, energy, utilities, legal, real estate, transportation, and business services. As work from home has increased by 5 times as compared to the pre-COVID days, cyber attacks have also surged by a whopping 300%. In most of the cases, cyber attacks were carried out by stealing user identities or exploiting the poor or lack of user authentication mechanisms. A report says the US government reported a 3,000% increase in identity threat attempts due to the COVID situation. The option of biometrics-based authentication could be the ultimate solution, like usage of facial verification or fingerprint verification that overcomes the limitations of typical OTP or push notifications-based authentication by essentially providing authentication based on who you are. It ensures absolute certainty before granting or denying access, as hardly any tampering can be done to who you are. However, the best practice would be continuous authentication. That is the way to go. Let's look into this hour's headlines in War India. Artificial intelligence-powered cloud-native platform to automate, unify, and protect the edge, says Aruba ESP. Aruba, a Hewlett-Packard Enterprise company, closed its acquisition of Silver Peak in September last year, and since then, the company has been working to integrate SD-WAN more deeply into the Aruba portfolio. Now, it is geared to bring Silver Peak's technology into Aruba ESP, that is Edge Services Platform, the industry's first AI-powered cloud-native platform to automate, unify, and protect the edge, and is fully geared to compete with Cisco as per the company. Route Mobile is investigating claims on the data leak. Hackers have been able to compromise servers of enterprise communications firm Route Mobile. The company claimed that data of its customers is safe and its cybersecurity team is investigating the matter. According to cybersecurity experts, data of companies like Tata Communications, Bharti Airtel, and DBS Bank have been leaked due to the alleged breach in Route Mobile's system. Tata Communications suffers data leak. Cybercriminals claim to have sold access to company's servers over 50 GB data, still up for sale on darknet forums for USD 9K. Cybersecurity researcher Rajshekhar Rajaharia said the data does not seem to have been leaked from Tata Communications, but the alleged breach appears to have taken place at the system of its technical vendor Route Mobile. Coinsbit launches in India as Coinsbit India. Coinsbit, a cryptocurrency trading platform from Europe, will be launching its brand new exchange Coinsbit India. To mark the day, Coinsbit India is organizing India's biggest airdrop ever, where every user will be rewarded with $200 worth of CIN tokens for signing up and completing their KYC. The new platform has been created to position itself as a leading player in India's cryptocurrency market. Lenovo leads the worldwide PC shipments. When we look into worldwide PC shipments, it has reached 69.9 million units in the first quarter of this year, a growth of 32% from the first quarter of 2020 according to Gartner. In contrast to HP and Dell, Lenovo increased shipments of desk-based PCs largely due to high demand in China. It is possible due to more control in their own supply chain arrangement, as a higher percentage of its PCs are manufactured in-house compared to other vendors. Redmi to unveil cost-effective gaming phone this month. Redmi will be launching its gaming smartphone by the end of this month. Redmi, the affordable brand of Xiaomi, added that the smartphone will offer a flagship-level hardcore gaming experience and will be a cost-effective offering. Redmi gaming phone would disrupt the gaming mobile phone industry with a more hardcore gaming experience and a more extreme flagship price performance. That's it for this hour. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Our India News magazine.